Hey everyone, so I just wanted to review what you will be doing for lesson 3, which involves writing and solving addition and subtraction equations. So your goals will be to write one variable addition and subtraction equations and use inverse relationships and properties of equality to solve one-step addition and subtraction equations. That said, if we take a look at the notes here, okay, you can use inverse relationships, which inverse is just another word for opposite, and the properties of equality to solve equations. So if you look at this example here, we have 5 plus c equals 15. 5 plus c minus 5 equals 15 minus 5. This remains equivalent because you're subtracting 5 from each side, and then you're left with c equals 10 because we eliminated the positive 5 on the side that the variable is on to get the variable alone. And if we do that to this side, we have to do it to the other according to the subtraction property of equality, right? Then we get c alone, and we have solved for c, which equals 10. Same idea here. So here we have m minus 20 equals 16. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition, so we add 20 to both sides so that we can eliminate the 20 that's with the m and get m alone. And this allows us to get m equals 36, and then we found the value of m because we did the same thing to both sides of the equation and eliminated the number that is with the variable. So this means that operations that undo each other have an inverse relationship. So that means adding is the inverse of subtracting, which means subtracting is the inverse of adding. So another example here is if we have n minus 7 equals 25, we want to get n alone, so we just add 7 to both sides, and that eliminates the negative 7 on each side, and we're left with n equals 32. To check, you just need to substitute 32 for n. So if you put 32 minus 7, does that equal 25? Yes, it equals 25, which means the equations are balanced and you use the inverse relationship correctly.